So let's continue with question number 4. So for part A, we define dy dx. So we have to use product rule minus product rule. So now we multiply this one, you get y squared plus 2xy times y prime minus the product rule. 3x squared y plus x cubed times y prime equals 0. The due to 6, 0. Now we just solve for y prime. So we found the first derivative, which is equal to the negative y squared plus 3x squared y over 2xy minus x cubed. So after we finish part A, let's go to part B. Part B, the question said define an equation for the tangent line at each point on the curve when x equal to 1. So you have to find the x equal 1 and y equal to what in tangent line. So now let's find the y value first. To find the y value, we have to go back to the original equation. Xy squared minus x cubed y equals 6. And then we solve for y. So here is a factor. So we found two y values. So we got 2.1, and 1, -2. So now at the 1, 3 and the 1, -2. So we have to find the m. So we go back to our first part. So we got negative y squared plus 3x squared y over 2xy minus x cubed. Let's find m. So we just do substitution. And then here we found out just negative 9 plus 9. Okay, so that's 0. So when m equals 0, then we know that the y had to be equal to 3 as a horizontal tangent. So if you want to solve the work, you can do the work. So we found that y equal 3 is the tangent line. So we do the same thing for the next point. So we got negative 4 minus 6, negative 4 minus 1. So we got m equal 2. So we got b equal negative 4. So therefore the line is y equal to 2x minus 4. So we finished part B. So let's take a look at part C. find the xy coordinate of each point where the tangent line is vertical. So we're going to make the dy dx equal undefined. So denominator equals 0. Here we should factor out the x. So here you solve it. So we have a number and an equation. So we are going to face the situation that is the combination of a number and system equation. So when x equals 0, y equals what? So now we're going to go back to the original function. So we substitute x equals 0. So you get 0 equals 6, so no solution. So now we're going to go back to this branch. So when you have an equation, that means you have to use the system equation. So when you solve system equation, so like this, the best method is substitution. So we're going to do substitution. So we just solve for x. So we can combine like terms over here. 1/4 minus 1/2 is negative 1/4. So we're going to multiply negative 4 both sides. And this is fifth root. So we're going to have x equal to fifth root of negative 24. So we found the x value. Let's go to find the y value. So to find the y value, you can use this equation or this one. Definitely we're going to use the easy one. So we found the y value. If you want to simplify it a little bit, then it's going to be this. So we finished question number 4.